The history of this place was an old historic building that was originally the butchery for Queenstown. The client was operating that space as a gallery with studio spaces above for herself and her daughter. The client wanted to modernise the property and expand on it. So the project was conceived as multi-units to provide privacy between the owner and her daughter living in close proximity. The plans themselves of each apartment are practically identical with a few tweaks to suit each personality. We use natural materials, concrete masonry, raw steel predominantly on the exterior, and that was driven from the client's bold personality. Because the gallery was situated at the front of the site, the entry is located on the western side and takes you up some staggered stairs with the full experience of Jubilee Park as you enter the property. With the exterior aesthetic being so heavy and bold and extending through with the monochromatic tone in the units, we felt this provided a canvas for the clients to bring their colour and their personality into the spaces. Given the beautiful views inherent to the site, we wanted to maximise those from each apartment while not compromising privacy between the two. We've split the two projects with a generous staircase that affords epic views to the lake and allows dappled light under the canopy. Quite often the typical New Zealand way is a single family home on a site, and it was cool to have a client that was on board with going down the multi-unit direction to achieve more on the site and get the most out of the location so close to Queenstown. And we're really stoked with the result.